If I don't get asked 100 times on every Saturday, which car seat should I go with, a Mesa or an Aria, I'm gonna clear it up for you right now. Hi, I'm Emilio from UPPAbaby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 40 years. If you have any questions, comments about any of the products, click the links below and follow along. I am here to educate you and guide you down your shopping journey of all premium brands. If lightweight and large sun protection is something that is very, very important for you, the Aria is the lightest infant car seat with the most sun coverage in the category. The MESA V2 is a great infant car seat because it takes you the full length. When you put them side by side, the MESA V2 infant car seat is clearly larger. It has more room, even though they both have a 30-pound weight capacity. The Aria is more of an egg-shaped car seat, which handles smaller children far better. Once you reach a bigger capacity, I think the seat is gonna max out. I like the Mesa for that purpose. But in the beginning, when we have to carry it to the doctor's office and move it around consistently with the baby in it, the Aria, being the lightest infant car seat around, makes it really, really practical to use. And let's be honest, most infant car seats get used anywhere between an 8-month to 12-month window, even though they go to 30 pounds. It is almost impossible to have a 30-pound child sitting in an infant car seat because they're gonna out-lengthen it and not fit from a volume perspective. The Aria and the Mesa both connect seamlessly to any UPPAbaby stroller, no adapter necessary, and that's a huge value proposition. Which one would I choose? You have to answer the questions. Do you want lightweight and sun protection, or do you want a bigger volume seat that you could use it longer? Any questions or comments? Leave it below. Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@babybaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida, Paramus, New Jersey, Middletown, New Jersey, Long Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.